Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing on this lovely Monday morning here in Texas? It is pretty hot here in Texas, but we came here to Lowe's because apparently some stuff dropped this morning, so I came to see what I find, and it is several items, so I'm really hoping that they're still here. I'm not planning to purchase. Well, let's just go inside and let me show you exactly, see if we can find them first, and if we can't, then I'll show you what items are with the item numbers so you can check out your store. So the first thing I wanted to check out with these Fabulosos disinfecting white. This is the 90 count for $1.80. These are normally $3.99. Well, retail is about $4 and some change, but in store they're $3.99. Now it's just the Fabulosos purple one container. It's not the yellow one. The yellow one is still about $3 something. I went ahead and checked top stock, and there is nothing in the top stock right above where the wipes are at. I checked all that area. And then I came across these microban sprays, the bath ones that are normally $5.48, and they're on clearance for $1.37. It is completely cleared in this section. The ones next to it are all multi-purpose. I did double check even the ones towards the back. And when I was walking further down, I noticed the Fabulosos right there, the wipes. There's some more boxes right there. There was about 8 Fabulosos, the purple ones over there. I also saw these Rejuvenate antibacterial floor cleaners, $8.99 down to $4.37. I think these are non-stock. Yeah, they're non-stock, so they will go lower. And these Zepp's Disinfectant Towels. I didn't even know Zepp made disinfecting towels. These are on clearance as well. They are very dirty, by the way, but these are normally $4 something. They're down to $1 something. Okay, so I came for these big totes right here, not those, but the ones next to them. I think somebody beat me ahead of time and went ahead and have a worker bring them down because they were just off to the side, just left there random in a random spot. But I went ahead, and these 27-gallon ones are currently, I'm sorry, they're not currently, they're retail $20 and they are on clearance for $6 and some change. These are huge. You can never have enough totes, especially the clear totes. I like having clear totes to see what I have in the totes. When they're not clear, I forget what's in them. So I like them having clear so I can have an idea of what I have in the totes. Because I try to keep the same items in my totes when I organize my garage. These smaller totes, which are 53 quarts, there's 256 5520 is the item number. These I think are normally like $12 or $13 and they are down to $4. But I already have plenty small ones. I came for these big old 27-gallon totes. I couldn't decide how many I wanted. I ended up taking 3, I believe. So I went back where the wipes were at, the cleaning stuff, and somebody had came and took all the wipes in the section, but he didn't check top stock. Those 2 boxes right there, he left them. He just got the ones that were in the shelf. So I told the guy if he could come and help me bring those down. And I just thought there was those 2 boxes, but when he brought them down, he just kept on handing me boxes after box, and he eventually handed me 6 boxes. I only cared for 2. I didn't really care for them. And then I told him, okay, well, since you're here, can you go ahead and check if y'all have any of these microbands in stock? Because on Brickseek it showed 22 in stock. His handheld showed 23 in stock. We checked the entire top stock. Well, it did give a location. Here he comes back looking for them in this another direction because we could not find them where the location said they were. And we ended up not finding them. So here's my cart of everything I ended up getting. He just found 1 box of the Lysol wipes. I didn't show that, so I'm showing the item number here. It is just 1 box of these Lysol wipes right here. And the Fabulosos, he found a total of 6 boxes. So I took 6 that had 4 each of them. Now I came to look for this butcher block that is normally retail. Said they were $180 retail, and they were down to only $65. I could not find it to save my life. The ones that were here were bigger items, sizes, I'm sorry, but this one right here I found normally at 402 down to 193, and this one is actually bigger than the one I was looking for. This is a good price. I was tempted to get this one because this one will probably resell pretty well, but I just didn't want to deal with it. It was too heavy. I left it, but that is a very good price if you're looking for that. It's a 39 by 74 and 1.5 thickness, which is a really good buy. This one's a different brand though. The one I was looking for was another brand. Then of course I had to come to the back aisle where all the clearance was at, which usually in all the Lowe's that I've seen this back aisle, I haven't found anything worth purchasing. This little section right here, these are all display items that they're getting rid of. They are at discounted price, but they're really not big discount. It's really not a difference. So I myself wouldn't purchase these. And then I saw this Craftsman here. I think this normally like 130 is down to $11, I'm sorry, which is also not a big price point of a difference. Now let me tell you about these cobalts. I've seen these as low as $30 in other stores. They are $77 here. They're normally $129. These will drop lower. These are non-stock items. They're not restocking these. There's the item number if you're trying to check your area. And besides those that I showed you, really anything else here was not really good. I came across this Craftsman. It said it has no weed whacker for $75. This retails $149. Do you think that's worth the price? I don't think it's worth $75 even discounted without the weed whacker, because also the box is tore up. But then I came across the grill clearance. It says select grills on clearance. I didn't see any grills on clearance, but a lot of them had tags on them. These look like retail prices to me. Here's my final cart. I only took the totes, the Fabulosos, and that one box of Lysol that he found. Here I am at checkout scanning. They're ringing up correctly, $174 down from $498, which is a really good price point on cleaning supplies. I do want to say that I always get somebody telling me that I'm lying about the clearance items that I find. How can you lie when I show you the screen and I show you my receipt of what I'm actually paying for them? And here I am scanning the Fabulosos. There are 6 in total, 6 boxes, and there's 4 in each of them. Here I am scanning them, and these as well are ringing up correctly, $187 from $399. So this is a good price point for cleaning items. I think that's about roughly 75% off. You can never have enough cleaning products, especially disinfectant wipes. So I only wanted to take a few, but the man, he kept on handing me more. He found 6, and I just got them to get them. I didn't want to tell him, okay, no, that's fine. So I just got them all. But it's still showing that they have about 20 something in stock, and I'm pretty sure they're somewhere in the store, but I didn't really care for them. So here I am scrolling through the screen to show you everything that I did. And then the last screen is showing me I saved $111 and I paid $73 before tax. That is a good price. That's a big savings. Big savings. So this is the outcome of today's haul. I think it was like 24 Fabulosos. He only found a 6-pack of the Lysol flat packs. And there is a lot of these, but I just went ahead and grabbed 3. There were 6 something. They're normally 20, as y'all saw. I already showed y'all the item numbers. And here are some other items that I found, which is this Lufkin. I don't know what you call it, but it's normally 27. It's down to 7. It said they had about 6 in stock on hand. He even checked with his scanner, but it was inaccurate. Also, this other item, which was a faucet, I don't know, Allen and Roth kitchen faucet, normally 100 and something down to 32 something. It said they had 6 on hand, or about 5 or 4 on hand. He even checked on his scanner. There's no location for it. Well, there was a location for it, but I went to go check at that location. It was nowhere to be found. So that was that. And there's another item. Oh, the microband that are down to one. I forgot what the price was, but it was normally 5 something, and it said they had 23 in stock when he checked on his scanner, but no, we could not find them. He checked all the top stock. They were overcrowded, by the way, with a whole bunch of cleaning supplies in top stock, but we could not find them 23 microbands, and I just gave up. I don't really need them. I just wanted them just because they're cheap, but in reality I wasn't really gonna do nothing. I still actually have some in my stockpile. I did check this other section where there was some like top stock, but they were like loose. They were out of the boxes, but all of them were multi-purposes, and we're looking for the bathroom one. There's none. So y'all need to go ahead and check your Lowe's and see if y'all can score these items. As far as the Fabuloso and the Lysol wipes, it's showing that a lot of stores have them in stock. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please like the video. It helps with boosting my video up. So thank you so much for joining me today, and until next time, guys.